Hey, do you want to learn how to make money flipping houses? My guess is you do, and that's why you're watching this video. Hi, my name is Jim Zaspel, full-time real estate investor. I flip dozens and dozens and dozens of houses every single year here with my wife and my team of team members in the greater Philadelphia area. And here's the cool part. I want to help you transform your life financially through real estate investing. Real estate investing, contrary to popular belief, contrary to my belief prior to doing this business, is that you've got to have lots of money, great credit, and know all the best contractors in order to do the deals. Well, I got good news for you. At my 3-day event, which you're going to attend, and you can register below this video, at my 3-day event, I'm going to show you how to find the best deals, profitable deals that will make you an average of $30,000 profit per deal. I'm going to show you how to get funding for your deals, even if your credit is downright atrocious. 100% funding. You do not need your own money to put into deals. Third, I'm going to show you how to rehab the houses the right way, so they sell quickly and for top dollar. And I'm going to show you how to protect yourself with regards to contractors as well. And we're going to show you our secrets to success for selling houses quickly so you can get paid quickly and go live the life that you want to. So whether you're looking to up your game as a real estate investor, you want to go from 5 or 10 deals a year to 50 or 100, you'll learn how to do that at the event as well. Or if you're just looking to get started, go from 0 to 10 deals a year. You got nothing going on right now, you want to go do 10 deals a year, you'll learn how to do that as well at this event. I'm going to break it down for you, and unlike the guru events, it's not I teach you this much, you ask a question, you got to buy something else. Here's my promise to you, a few promises. One is you'll get every question you ask answered in its entirety at this event. And secondly, my event is 100% guaranteed, which we'll come back to in a minute. My third promise is I'm going to give you 100%. See, here's the deal. I operate from a position of abundance, meaning I believe there's plenty to go around. Some people ask me, my friends in the business, they say, Jim, why are you teaching this seminar once or twice a year? Why do you do that? The reality is I do it because at these seminars, I teach people how to go get deals. And sometimes they want to partner with me on those deals, and we will both wind up making more money as a result. Full transparency here, that's why I do these events, because I like it, because I make more money doing deals as a result of it. Now, the reality is there's a cost to doing the events, and my time is worth a lot, so there's a small tuition fee, which you can see here on this page. So here's the deal. Here's my third promise to you, and that is this. The tuition is 100% guaranteed. Now, if you've gone to other real estate events before, you've probably heard these guarantees, something like this. They say, if I lunch on the second day, you haven't gotten your money's worth, just come to the front of the room, tell everybody why, and then we'll issue you a refund check within 30 days. That's not the way it works. Here's the deal. The way it works with me is that you get to stay for all 3 days. And by the way, when you register here now, you're going to get immediate access to some amazing training materials, about 7 hours of content that's going to really give you a head start on the event. Then at the event, you're going to get a lot of training materials as well. But if you stay for all 3 days and you decide that you just didn't get your money's worth, guess what? We'll issue a refund check on the spot. You don't need to go to the front of the room. You can stay for all 3 days, keep the training materials, and we'll part as friends. Never written a check yet, don't intend on it, but the reality is you're going to love this event. If you want to make a change in your life financially, whether it's going from wholesaling houses to rehabbing, you're tired of the rental rat race, right? You want to get into rehabbing houses, making $30,000 chunks of cash consistently. By the way, how much difference in your life would $30,000 just one deal per month do? That's a big chunk, right? That's a big chunk. I'm guessing that might make a big difference in your life. I'm going to show you exactly how to accomplish that. Again, finding deals, fixing them, funding them, and then selling them as well. We're going to dive deep into all that, including we're going to spend half a day on a bus. We're going to go through and look at some before projects as well as some finished projects. The finished projects will be my deals, and you can see my finished products. And then depending on what I've got available to look at on the spot versus what's on the market, you'll look at some houses that have not been renovated yet as well. But you will look at a couple of my finished products so you can see what you want to get your houses to. But again, I'm going to help you avoid the pitfalls. If you struggle before getting started in real estate, or you have no clue where to start, where to get the funding, what houses to do, what neighborhoods to invest in, and how to pre-screen your contractors and how to protect yourselves against the contractors, guess what? You're going to learn all of that and so much more at this event. Again, I'm not a full-time guru. I'm a full-time real estate dude, and I teach this event just once or twice a year, and you are going to love it, provided you want to learn how to make money flipping houses. Now, only attend this event if you're coachable. Now, if you're just going to sit there and argue with me for 3 days, just save your money, save myself the hassle, save me the hassle, and don't come, right? But the reality is, if you realize you might have something to learn from me, then you'll probably want to attend this event. Only attend this event if you're committed to making a change in your lifestyle. Last thing I want to see is somebody show up to the event, learn all this awesome content, and then not go anywhere, not do anything with it, right? I want to help those who want to help themselves. So if you're serious about taking control of your financial destiny, then this is probably a good event you want to go to, right? If you're serious and excited and passionate about real estate, it's not just a job to you, because it's not a job, it's a business, then this is something you'll probably like. Now here's the fourth thing that might probably turn off a lot of people, might not turn off you, we'll see. If you're willing to be pushed outside of your comfort zone, to get to do things you've never done before, to have things you've never been able to have before, then this is the event for you. If you're unwilling to push yourself, then don't show up here. But if you want to be pushed, challenged, legally, morally, and ethically, to do things you've never done before so that you can have the lifestyle you've never had before, whatever that means for you, then this event is for you. So do it, show up, and you're going to love it. It's going to be about 70 or 80 people there, so not too big, not too small. It is going to be a blast. We will have a lot of fun, and you will learn so much information on exactly how to flip houses. And again, my promise to you is that you will learn lots of actionable content, not just a little bit to be upsold. That's not the way I operate. I'm going to teach you a lot of stuff that's going to help you put money in your pocket. So go ahead and click the button below this video and register for my 3-day event. I cannot wait to see you there.